Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your Trust Wallet private key. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now, fair warning, please do not show this private key to anyone else or anyone that you shall not trust, because with this only, they can have full access to your account and they can take all the money from it, obviously. So, all you have to do is go to your home page right here where you can see the home, and all your coins are settled, and make sure that this is the correct wallet since you can have multiple on the same phone. Then click on the top where it says Trust Wallet and then Multi-Coin Wallets, and this is the one that I'm logged into. Click on the three dots on the right and it can say that secret phase backups for Google Drive and manual. Now if you already upload to Google Drive, then you're safe to log out of this account and then log into another phone and you shall be fine. But if you want it by yourself manual, then click on the manual right here and it will say that this secret phase unlocks your wallet. Trust Wallet does not have access to this key and don't save this in any digital form. And then once you click continue, it will show you the secret phase, which I cannot show, but those 12 words are your private key. Write them down on a piece of paper and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.